In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Maki Zenin from JJK in an easy way. If you are a beginner, it will help you out a lot, so watch the full video and then draw Maki. Let's start the tutorial.
Stuck in a prison of doubt. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. The water rises. To shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean. Reaching out, I'm reaching the end. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching the end. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching.
Now you know how to draw Maki Zenin, so now try drawing by yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below, which one should I draw next? Till the bye-bye.